Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox problem reaching our servers issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, we're going to close the launcher, then you're going to search for network and then view network connections. From here, you're going to select the network that you're connected to, for example this one, right click and then click on disable. From there, you're going to wait a few seconds and then let's say 30 seconds pass by, then you're going to right click and go to enable again. Then once you do that, you're going to right click and go to properties. And then from here, you're going to search for the Internet Protocol version 4. Go to properties again. Then use the following DNS server addresses and then search for 8888 and then click on 8844. Then click OK. Then go ahead to your browser, go to your settings. Then from here, you're going to go to privacy and security, site settings, view permissions and data sources, and then search for Roblox. Once you do that, you're going to delete this and then click on delete. And also once you do that, make sure that the VPN is disconnected and disabled while you uninstall and delete the Roblox section. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.